Got one. Oh, good.
Got fish on her.
It's a big one.
Got fish. It's a good sized fish.
Oh, I'm gonna go down there and get that one. Right in the corner of the mouth.
He really took it. Michael's going in the water. Here. You want to see your pole? Here, I'll pull it back up towards you.
You hold the pole, I need to get the line.
Alright. Got a nice fish.
Oh, look at that fish, dude. Nice fish.
Nice sized fish. Bass fishing. Sarasota, Florida again, boys.
Good 2 pounds.
That's a good, yeah, 2 pound, 3 pound fish.
Yeah, my shoes are
Too bad we don't have our wear with us.
They're still like church.
Well, nice fish.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sucks for them.
Alright, release this big boy.
That one.
There you go.
Alright, see what else we can catch.
Ooh, that's a big fish. Not as big as the last one, still a nice fish. Shoes are like completely saturated with water. Ah! Okay.
Alright, bass fishing. See what else we can catch.
Bass fishing in these hot conditions. Huh? 2.5, silent. Doesn't mean you know how to use it, little boy. You know, fishing these hot conditions, and you're in the way.
I'm not.
Fishing these hot conditions can be tough sometimes. Forecast. Tanner? Stop, dick. Michael! Stop. Really? Yeah. Okay, go away. Just leave me.
Here goes Michael.
Alright, you know what? Just leave it there.
No, it's like the cup. I'm going to delete some of it because that.